2026 Ram 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.